I picked this Marx S3 1998 off of eBay recently. It originally had the Union Pacific shell. It was pretty beat up. So I removed that and I put on this Santa Fe one, which was in a lot better shape. I also put a diesel roar unit in it. I had the holes for it already. I'm not sure if the maroon Santa Fe's ever actually came with diesel roar, but I thought it'd be kind of cool to have it in there. Cleaned up the base a little bit. Had a little problem with the E unit. I had a grounding issue that I had to clean off the E unit and rebuild it, and popped it back in. I think I got it running pretty good now. So you can check out also the diesel roar unit, and we'll see how it sounds. Yeah, it does kind of sound like a rattly old alco. It's kind of neat. I like the these sounds that some of these vintage locomotives that they tried to put in them. And so kudos for Marx. It does sound like an old rattly alco. So thanks a lot for watching. God bless. Never forget Jesus is Lord.